Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more travel tips and tech reviews. Today, we're taking a look at Opodo, a popular online travel agency that helps you book flights, hotels, and even rental cars. Located at www.opodo.com, this website offers a comprehensive platform for planning your next adventure. Whether you're dreaming of a tropical getaway, a bustling city exploration, or a quiet countryside retreat, Opodo provides a user-friendly interface to search and compare deals from various airlines and accommodation providers. Navigating through Opodo is straightforward. The homepage presents you with clear options to select your desired travel dates, destinations, and number of travelers. A powerful search engine then scours through countless options to present you with a curated list of results, filtering by price, airline preference, or hotel star rating. This allows you to quickly pinpoint options that fit your budget and preferences. Beyond simply booking flights and hotels, Opodo also offers the convenience of bundling these services with other travel essentials. You can add on options like travel insurance, airport transfers, and even activities at your destination, streamlining the entire booking process and often saving you money compared to booking each element separately. Opodo's website is designed to be accessible on various devices, whether you're using a desktop computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. This ensures you can manage your bookings and access your travel information on the go. Moreover, Opodo offers customer support to assist with any queries or issues that may arise during the booking process or your trip itself. This provides peace of mind knowing assistance is available should you need it. For those who appreciate having all their travel details in one place, Opodo provides a convenient mobile app. The app allows you to manage your bookings, access boarding passes, receive real-time updates about your flights, and even contact customer support directly, all from the palm of your hand. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, Opodo offers a comprehensive platform to simplify the booking process and help you create the perfect travel itinerary. So, next time you're planning a trip, be sure to check out www.opodo.com and see what they have to offer.